Hey everyone, welcome back to Doomboticus Metallicus. Today, I've got something special for all you beginners itching to make some quick cash online with minimal effort. You heard it right. We're about to explore the laziest yet most effective way to pocket $100 or more every day. So grab your favorite snack, kick back, and let's jump into the world of effortless online earnings. Segment 1. Explore passive income streams. Dive into the enticing world of passive income, a financial haven where minimal effort yields significant rewards. Imagine boosting your income while seemingly at rest, achieved by establishing income streams that work tirelessly on your behalf with only initial setup and periodic maintenance. Take, for instance, affiliate marketing, a prime example of earning effortlessly by promoting products and earning commissions for each sale. It's akin to cultivating a revenue garden that flourishes in the background while you catch those much-needed Z's. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unravel the simplicity and brilliance of passive income, where financial prosperity meets the art of working smarter, not harder. Segment 2. Dive into dropshipping. Let's embark on a journey into the dynamic realm of dropshipping, a business model often considered as the laid-back cousin of e-commerce, particularly ideal for those taking their first steps into entrepreneurship. What sets dropshipping apart is its ability to alleviate the typical headaches associated with running an online store. No more inventory management woes or navigating the intricacies of shipping logistics. Picture having your very own digital storefront, but here's the game-changing twist. You're liberated from the burdensome tasks of stocking shelves or handling boxes for shipping. All it takes is the initial setup, establishing seamless connections with suppliers, and then sit back as sales seamlessly roll in. It's the virtual store experience minus the operational hassles, presenting an accessible and stress-free avenue for aspiring entrepreneurs to carve out their space in the expansive world of e-commerce. Segment 3. Leverage automated content creation. Embark on a dual exploration of modern entrepreneurship. Firstly, immerse yourself in the world of dropshipping, a laid-back cousin of e-commerce, perfect for beginners. This innovative approach removes inventory and shipping hassles, allowing you to own a digital storefront without worrying about stocking shelves or handling shipping logistics. Secondly, redefine the notion that being lazy means sacrificing creativity by delving into automated content creation with tools like Canva and AI-driven writing tools. Imagine effortlessly crafting visuals and compelling content as if you have a virtual assistant bringing your creative vision to life. Whether navigating e-commerce or creating captivating content, these approaches epitomize the marriage of convenience and innovation in the modern entrepreneurial landscape. Segment 4. Monetize your social media presence. Now here's a nugget of wisdom. Never underestimate the power of social media. It's not just about scrolling through cat videos. It's a goldmine for effortless monetization. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform you fancy, turn your scrolling into dollars effortlessly. Collaborate with brands, sprinkle in some affiliate links, and watch the moolah roll in while you showcase your interests. It's like turning your hobbies into a cash-flowing masterpiece, simple, effective, and, dare I say, downright delightful. Segment 5. Embrace stock photography. Now, attention all you photography enthusiasts. Ever thought about turning your passion into cold, hard cash? It's time to let your snapshots do the talking and the earning. Submit your best photos to stock photography websites. And here's the lazy genius part. You earn royalties every time someone downloads your masterpiece. Lazy, right? It's like having your pictures clock in for work, earning for you effortlessly. So let those snapshots not just capture moments, but also capture some extra income. Lazy photography at its finest. Conclusion. And there you have it, the laziest yet effective ways for beginners to make $100 or more per day online. Remember, lazy doesn't mean inactive. It's about working smarter, not harder. If you enjoyed these tips, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more lazy money-making strategies, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay lazy and stay profitable.